part of the ant line over here, and then all the way down here. It splits into two lines. I'll tell you about this one later. Move this for you. And then it goes down here. Just follow this line. All the way here. There. And you can see. I want to catch up. There is another line following all the way to and it's following to keep on going and going. And this splits into two lines right here. You see, this line splits the lines from here and here. But you see, since I made the line like this, kind of confused. But anyways, these two lines just keep on going, and then there's two lines going back and forth. But that's not all. This line goes around here. They're all messed around here, so can't find their way. And keeps on going until here, and then here. All right, and then it keeps on going. You can see the ants, right? And keeps on going up and up. Up, 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 up. And come here. And then this little hole right here is one of their ant holes, just one of them. And if you keep on going, there's more. Right here?
Yeah.
3 of them. And more ants, still more. And still keeps on going. It's called Forever Ants, that's why.
Yeah.
And here you go. More ants and all the way to here. And wait, there's still more. Keep on going. All the way to where these bamboo trees are. And, there's an ant on me. These two lines. Oh yeah, and here's one more ant hole. Right here. Put an X mark. Right here too. It's an ant hole. And then, I think I just blocked it. So, and two lines going back and forth. Go right over here. Which splits into two lines, but I'll tell you about this one first. Through this wall, up here to the other side. Come on. Come on then. Keeps on going. And they probably made a useful bridge. Goes somewhere around here where we can't go. I want to go on there.
Oh no.
Why? Why?
I can't.
I'll try. You stay here. Okay, so, just a minute. I just need to go in there. And if you can hear me, just like, yeah. I'm going in, and this ant trail. Wait, what? Oh, it goes to here. I just have to move this thing. Oh, there we are. Oh, and there's a bunch of them here, as you can see.
Oh my god.
I don't know what they're doing. See? Ant forever, told you.
Oh my god.
Here you go. All these ants. And back to where we started. And see, right here. Going all the way to here. I might be going back or something. Okay, I think that's the end of it. And they keep on going. This. And then, on this side, remember, don't lose a track. Okay. Oh, this is a good stick. Okay, and then, ow! Oh. Okay, so this is a very useful stick. See the stick right here? Right over here? Keeps on going. There we go. And you know, a lot of these lines split up too. So, you see,
They look like they're confused for some reason.
they probably are, but I think
Yeah.
I'm bothering them a little, so.
Because you just busted their sanctuary.
It's not a
That's why.
sanctuary. There's
It
barely
looks like
anything in there now.
They escaped.
I don't care. Okay, so I'm going over here where they're totally messed up for some reason. And you would probably say, "Ay, dang it, no!" So, and because you know why? This is the end, but actually no, it's not the end. Because this is forever, and forever never ends.
Whoa.
There we go. Just sip your surprise. There we go. And we keep on going on this trail. Just a minute. I have to rake all this out a little. Really flexible. I like this. And then a bunch of apples are probably in here. So that's where they're getting all this food. And wait, what? Oh, yes. And they probably keep on going right here. Oh yeah, this thing is a little bit stuck. Okay, this is the end, so come on. Over here. Just a minute.
Whew.
Hey, we're not done yet. Okay. Action. So, these ants are still going. And remember, this is a review. Right here. Split up. I'm not telling you about this row. Yeah, they're a little bit mixed up. So, yeah, this row. But now, I'm still almost done with this row. But we have to do a little more things. Follow me. Remember, I'm over here. And here we go. More ant lines. And right here, over here, which follows all the way to here. And you see? You can go in front. Go in front if you want. Yeah. And then go all the way to here. And keep on going. Just have to move this. Okay, then I think also. Don't worry, this is never going to be canceled because I always know where the ants are. Here, of course.
Okay. So we are running out of the space.
Just a minute, and there we go. Hold this up. And then put this up too. So, can you see everybody? So, keep on going.
Okay.
I was talking about.
I think you should start wrapping up now.
No, not yet. Come here.
There's no more space for video now.
There is.
No.
What does it say? So that is it for today. But tune in for episode 2. Next time we come here, they probably might still be going, but they might not. But if we're lucky, they might still be going. So, see you next time. And tune in at Jihan999.com. Please subscribe.